Workiz app crashes are usually caused by outdated app versions, device issues, connection problems, or temporary app data errors that stop the app from running correctly. By the end, you'll know the steps to fix Workiz when it keeps crashing, freezing, or closing unexpectedly on your phone or tablet. Start by completely closing the Workiz app and opening it again. A full restart can clear temporary problems that happen while the app is running. If Workiz continues crashing, check your device's app store for an available update. An outdated app version can create compatibility issues with your device software. Open the App Store on iPhone or Google Play Store on Android and search for Workiz. Install any available update, then reopen the app. Next, restart your phone or tablet. A device restart clears temporary background processes that can affect app performance. Check your internet connection if Workiz crashes while loading jobs, customers, or account information. A weak connection can interrupt communication between the app and its servers. Switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data to test the connection. If the app works after changing networks, your internet connection may be causing the problem. If you use Android, clearing the Workiz app cache can remove temporary files that may be causing crashes. Open your device settings, find the Workiz app, and clear the cache if that option is available. If you use an iPhone, reinstalling the app can refresh the installation when normal troubleshooting does not fix the issue. Make sure you know your login information before removing the app. Check that your device has enough available storage space. Low storage can affect how apps install updates and operate normally. If Workiz crashes only when using a specific feature, note exactly what action causes the problem. This information helps identify whether the issue is connected to a particular function. If the app still crashes after updating, restarting, and reinstalling, contact Workiz support through official support options. Provide your device model, operating system version, app version, and the steps that caused the crash. Avoid repeatedly reopening the app without checking for updates or restarting your device. Repeated crashes can continue if the underlying issue is not addressed. The main fixes are updating Workiz, restarting your device, checking your connection, clearing temporary app data, and contacting support if the problem continues. To recap, Workiz crashing issues are usually fixed by refreshing the app installation and checking your device setup. Your next step is to update Workiz and restart your device before trying more advanced fixes. If this guide helped, leave a like, subscribe, and check out our other app troubleshooting videos for more quick solutions.